In this video we are going to talk about the best power inverter for sump pumping this year, which is Buyers Products 170335 Black Steel Underbody Truck Box. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. When it comes to protecting your basement or crawl space from water damage, having a reliable sump pump is essential. One name that stands out in the industry is Zoeller, known for manufacturing top-quality pumps designed to keep your space dry and safe. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the Zoeller 5080006 Aquanot 508 ProPak53 Preassembled Sump Pump, a highly efficient and robust system that provides a comprehensive solution for water management. Powerful performance. The Zoeller 5080006 Aquanot 508 ProPak53 is a pre-assembled sump pump system that combines a powerful primary pump with a backup battery system, ensuring reliable operation even during power outages. The primary pump features a 0.5 horsepower motor capable of pumping up to 3,900 gallons of water per hour. This level of performance is ideal for homes with moderate to heavy water intrusion issues, providing efficient removal of excess water to prevent flooding and potential structural damage. Built-in redundancy. What sets the Zoeller 5080006 Aquanot 508 ProPak53 apart from other sump pump systems is its built-in redundancy. The ProPak53 comes equipped with a secondary, battery-powered pump that activates automatically in the event of a power outage or primary pump failure. This backup pump provides peace of mind, as it ensures continuous water removal when you need it the most. The system also includes an alarm to alert you if the backup pump is activated, allowing you to address any potential issues promptly. Battery Backup System. The Aquanot 508 ProPak53 incorporates a maintenance-free, sealed lead-acid battery, specifically designed to power the backup pump during power outages. The battery backup system provides extended runtime, allowing the pump to continue operating for hours, ensuring maximum protection until power is restored. Additionally, the system includes a battery charger that automatically maintains the battery's charge, ensuring it is ready for action when needed. Easy installation and maintenance. Installing the Zoeller 5080006 Aquanot 508 ProPak53 is straightforward, thanks to its pre-assembled design. The system comes with a corrosion-resistant polyethylene sump basin, which provides durability and prolongs the pump's lifespan. The compact size of the unit allows for easy placement in tight spaces, making it suitable for various basement configurations. Maintenance of the Aquanot 508 ProPak53 is hassle-free as well. The pump features a sturdy cast iron construction, which enhances durability and minimizes the need for frequent repairs. Additionally, the system includes a removable clear check valve cover, enabling easy access for inspection and cleaning. Conclusion. When it comes to protecting your basement or crawl space from water damage, the Zoeller 5080006 Aquanot 508 ProPak53 Preassembled Sump Pump offers a reliable and comprehensive solution. Its powerful primary pump, battery backup system, and built-in redundancy ensure efficient water management, even during power outages. With easy installation and low maintenance requirements, this sump pump system provides homeowners with peace of mind and the confidence that their valuable spaces are protected from the perils of water intrusion. Choose the Zoeller 5080006 Aquanot 508 ProPak53 for a reliable and efficient water management solution. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.